started. Hey, what's good, YouTube, man? Hey, it's Dre here back with another video, bro. And today we is at Target. Please show these people the store we at. You know what I'm saying? Today we at Target. And basically, I'ma just be running down on girls, bro. I'ma try to get numbers like without saying a word. So it's like normally I be trying to riz them up, but today I'm just gonna hand them the phone and see what they want to do. So yeah, we finna go in there. We gonna see what happens. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, nigga. I forgot to record the audio for this clip, man. But look, I'm gonna just tell y'all what's going on, right? So look, I'm walking up to this girl, right? I seen her, you feel me? She was looking decent. I'm like, let me go up to her, try and get her in the video. You know what I'm saying? So you see me, I'm walking up to her. I ain't even finna say nothing. Oh, she see me. I ain't gonna lie, bro, put the camera down because I think she saw it. But right now, I'm just handing her the phone like I ain't saying nothing. And she just like, what you doing? Like, why you ain't saying nothing? Why you not talking? I'm just handing her the phone, like, you feel me? Whole time. Hold on, look at me. I was pointing at the phone like, yeah, but I need that number. You feel me? And you see she gave it to me. I'm rubbing my hands like I'm Birdman going crazy. You feel me? So now I'm just waiting to get the number. You see the Target worker being nosy. You know what I'm saying? And, you know what I'm saying? It was cool. Like, I ain't even say nothing to her. She just see the swag. She see the drip. She see the Crocs. And she like, yeah, I like her. I tried to give her a hug. She hold me. I didn't get no hug. Got the handshake, though. So we good. On to the next one.
Huh? You said I'm taking all day.
I ain't even have to say shit though.
Huh?
What's your name?
Coco.
You stay around here?
Mm-hmm.
Cool, bruh.
You don't know me.
You don't know me,
I do know you.
so you can't say what's up to me?
I just peeped now. I wasn't paying attention. I wasn't paying no mind.
Damn. I ain't gonna lie, you looking good though. Why you what's up, man? Why I ain't hear from you?
You know why.
Nah, I don't know why.
Go look at the message that you sent me.
I don't got it no more. We gotta start a new one.
Oh, I can go back and read it to you.
Nah, you ain't gotta do that. Alright, so damn, you ain't messing with me. I can't get one more shot.
We already talked about this.
But I feel like it's fake,
You,
bro. Like,
you
what's...
said you was going to text me.
I did text you.
You did. What you say?
So let's go ahead and just, you feel me?
You said but you said to me.
Bro, you doing too much for what?
What did you...
I ain't gonna cap. I was I do YouTube, bro. I ain't gonna cap. I was finna try to do like prank you or something, but I didn't even know it was you for real. Damn.
Okay, I can do that. And what is your name? Okay, there we go. I'm Erica. What's your name? If I can get it.
I'm gonna text you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh. Damn, you married or something? Alright, he lucky then.